Hey everyone, welcome. I've been doing YouTube for quite some time now, and I've created many videos on how understanding your analytics, understanding your numbers can help grow your YouTube channel and get you more views and get you more subscribers. And the way I do this is every time I thought I figured out and tested what I should do and what I should not do in order to grow my YouTube channel, I will share this with you guys so that you can avoid the mistakes I made and ignore those steps that doesn't do your YouTube channel any good. But here's the thing, sometimes I just don't know what the heck YouTube wants and how every time I thought I figured out the trick to YouTube, how I figured out the trick to get more views or get more subscribers on YouTube, YouTube just comes right in and invalidates every single thing I say. Take this video for example. This video is where I thought I figured out the trick to triggering the YouTube algorithm so that it gives me more impressions, thus leading to more views. As you can see here, there's a significant jump in impressions after the first couple of hours when the video was launched. And I've previously explained in another video that this jump is due to my CTR being a lot higher than usual. So in theory, if I can hit the same CTR number or higher in my new videos, then there's a chance that those new videos can again be given more impressions, thus leading to more views. And I was lucky enough to have been able to reproduce the same success in my next video. In fact, this next video I'm about to show you is my best performing video in the first 24 hours. And I was so excited and I was so sure that it's going to get an impression boost and this video is going to take my YouTube channel to the next level. But once again, I was left disappointed. Now this is the video I'm talking about. See how the initial views in this video performs a lot better than the usual and is way above the typical views I get. This is a great sign that this video is doing well to start with. On top of that, the CTR is actually not too bad. In the first 24 hours, I managed to keep it to 8%, which is higher than the video I showed you previously. But check out the impressions. This is the typical impressions curve I get in every single video I release. And there was no push by the YouTube algorithm at all, and it got nothing even though this video performed significantly better than the other video in the first 24 hours. This is where all my frustration starts. I'm quite a positive person. Each time my video fails, I would learn from it and then I will aim to do better in my next video. And I've improved my thumbnails, my titles, my average view duration by a lot over the year. So I really thought that this video is the one that is going to make it all happen for me. But once again, I was disappointed because this video died 2 days later. Like, it performed worse than my previous videos, even when it had such a great start. So check it out. At the very start, the impressions were good and then it died. It literally died. Check out this time here, Wednesday, 5 p.m. From this time, this video's impression is only given 1 to 4 impressions per hour. So you're telling me a video that performs so well at the start with high CTR, with high average view duration, it doesn't get shown to more viewers because why? These sort of things really make me feel like YouTube just doesn't like smaller YouTube channels. YouTube themselves state that to get more impressions, you need to get better at your CTR and your average view duration. So I have proof that these two videos, they both performed really well in the first 24 hours, one performing better than the other, but the worst performer is the one that got pushed instead. This hurts my logical brain, it really does. It makes zero sense, and it's basically telling me that these numbers are just guidelines, and if you're lucky enough, the YouTube algorithm is going to pick you. If not, you're screwed, tough luck. Okay, fine. Let's tone down the anger a little and, as usual, think rationally, be positive, and put the blame on myself for not being able to satisfy the almighty YouTube algorithm. Alright, I've been thinking, and maybe the existing subscribers or new viewers were significantly higher in one of the videos, because I did hear something about needing your existing subscriber to watch your videos first before that video can be pushed to a new audience. So here's the stats for the video that got pushed by the YouTube algorithm. And here's the video that did not get pushed but was the better performing one. Even in this category, the one that did not get pushed still outperforms the one that got pushed. So you know what? Forget about everything that I've been sharing on YouTube. If you really want to grow your YouTube channel, here's what you need to do. You need luck, a lot of luck, so that's when the YouTube algorithm does decide to stop by your YouTube channel, you pray that it will select your best performing video with the highest CTR. And then you pray again for the algorithm to give you more impressions for a longer period of time instead of just a couple of hours. I think that's how it works. If you want to be successful on YouTube, you just keep creating content on your YouTube channel and then continue to pray for the goddess of luck to stand by your side. I honestly have no idea what else I can do besides waiting for hope to arrive. I don't know if you guys feel the same way, but I am definitely feeling like that right now. Okay, I did more digging and turns out there's one more point that may have affected this. The topic of the video. According to a reliable source I just found, the topic of your video is first compared to other similar topics, and then the CTR and average view duration will be compared later. The one that performs better is the one that is going to get pushed. So maybe the title I had for the video that performs better is a little bit hard to understand. It does not contain keywords like how to get more views or how to get more subscribers, and it basically talks about building an app, which is not something many people would search for. So maybe that's why. Alright, to test this out, I've gone ahead and changed the title to something more searchable. So let's see what happens. Let's see if I can save this video from dying. Anyways, that's it guys. Thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again.